what I'm cooking right here is something that's perfect. It goes with a night of drinking. So it's called sisig. So my sisig is gonna be different than all the typical ones that are out there. There are many variations of sisig. Mine's best. But I have two different variations that I'm gonna be using. Lechon kawale, and I cut it up into little pieces here. So I have two different variations I'm gonna cook today. So I have one that I'm gonna make primarily with lime and a little bit of lemon juice. And I'm gonna make that one a little more spicy. So I'm using Thai chilies here. I have 6 here. And the other one I'm actually using calamansi. And then the only thing that's really added other than chilies is onion, and I'm gonna add a few other things that aren't typical. So I like adding a couple bell peppers because I like the color and I actually like the flavor. And I know it's not typical either, but a lot of people do it. I'm gonna add a little mayonnaise to give it a little more richness. Look, see in Alaska, we don't have actually calamansi, can't even get it here. So we have to buy this frozen stuff and thaw it out. So, you need a 1/4 cup of this. So I'm gonna do one with a 1/4 cup of calamansi and one with a 4th cup of lime and a little bit of lemon juice. And we're gonna compare which one's better. All right, so that's almost a 1/4. I'm just gonna add one more. But I also like to add a little lemon. A little bit more. Why not? Each one I'm just gonna put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. All right, so this is the lemon one. Okay. You could always add more soy sauce later too, so that's calamansi. Because I just have so much. So that's the first box. So I'm gonna put half of it in here with calamansi. All right, there it is. Oh. In the Philippines, if you order sisig, it comes out on a sizzling platter. So I don't have a sizzling platter, but I have 2 cast iron skillets. Half of this meat goes in here. You want that sizzling sound. And I didn't add fat to it because it already has a lot of fat there. I'll do the same thing here. Boom. All right, it's the battle, right guys, right now. So it's calamansi on this side, all right? Lime juice over here. Look at that, see? Already got some fat rendering out of it already. All right, once it renders a little bit, then I start adding everything else. So half my onions, I'm gonna split onions in half. Half the onions here, half the bell peppers here. All right, then everything else goes in here. Chilies over here. Chilies over here. Stir it up a little bit. Because you don't want the onions really cooked all the way down. You actually kind of want it raw. Just slightly cooked. Sisig was originally a salad. Basically, the only thing that was cooked was the pork. You want the chilies to cook a little bit. You want the onion to cook a little bit. Calamansi. Woo! I mean, that's good. That's done already right there if I want to. So this one was 1/4 cup of lime, a little bit of lemon, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. This one was 1/4 cup of calamansi. Look at that. And now for the final touch, the secret ingredient, and you don't need it, but heaping. It's like a 1/4 cup of mayo. So you kind of fold that in. You don't even notice it's there once it's all cooked. It just basically gives it a creamy texture. Heaping tablespoon. And there it is. Is it? You like it?
Ang sarap! Ikaw ba ang nagluto nito? Wow! Okay, time to take some home.